Today I'm going to show you how to make Manhattan cocktail. Hi guys, my name is Isis from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you 3 variations how you can make an amazing Manhattan cocktail. It's one of the basic classics listed in David Embury's 1948 cocktail book, The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks. There are a couple of cloudy stories about creating this drink. They date back to 1800s, and of course it happened in New York, Manhattan, and that's why this cocktail got its name. I'm going to show you 3 amazing variations of this amazing cocktail. And the first version of our Manhattan cocktail, of course, it's a classic way. I'm going to make it in coupe glass. It's my favorite martini style glass, and that's what I love to make cocktails into them. And the first thing what we have to do when we are using martini glass or coupe glass, we have to chill the glass. Let's set it aside, and we're going to mix everything in a shaker, or if you have a mixing glass, it's very good and it's even better because it looks nicer. But I'm going to do it in my shaker. The first ingredient is bourbon. Traditionally, Manhattan is made with rye whiskey, but it's also made with Canadian, with bourbon, with American whiskey. Of course, you can make it with other drinks, but then it goes more far from the classic way. So I'm going to use a bourbon, and I'm going to use 2 ounces of the spirit. The second ingredient is red vermouth. I prefer Carpano Antica formula. It's one of the best, but it's my opinion. If you have some other favorite vermouths, please let me know in the comments. I'll try them. Maybe I'll find another favorite one. 1 ounce. So basically it's 2 parts of bourbon, 1 part of red vermouth, and 1 dash of our classic Angostura bitters. And we're going to put 1 dash. And we're going to stir this cocktail. And of course, love, passion and energy goes inside the cocktail while we are stirring. Don't forget. Perfect. And now I'm going to discharge the ice and stir everything to the glass. The garnish is very simple, very classic. It's 1 cherry. Our classic Manhattan is done. Cheers, guys. Second, our version of Manhattan is perfect Manhattan. And now I'll show you how to make perfect Manhattan. We need the same martini glass. Chill it. And now we are going to make our perfect Manhattan. We are going to stir it. So I'm using shaker. If you have mixing glass, it's totally perfect. And the first our ingredient is bourbon again. We're going to use 2 ounces of it. And now, instead of using 1 ounce of red vermouth, we are going to use ½ ounce of red vermouth and ½ ounce of dry vermouth. So technically we're going to pour the same 1 ounce of vermouth, just we're going to mix 2 different vermouths, and that makes the perfect Manhattan. ½ ounce half ounce. And 1 or 2 dashes of Angostura Classic Bitter. I'm putting 2 dashes, I like a bit bitter. Full of ice. And a good stir full of love, passion and energy. Discharge the ice. Get the strainer. This time we are going to garnish it with orange peel. I like to spray, aromatize the rim, and making like a spiral, putting it on the glass. Classic, perfect Manhattan. Enjoy, guys. And the third version of the Manhattan today is going to show my love and passion to rum and cherry, because I really love to roast cherry. And I'm going to do a little bit tropic version of Manhattan, so I would call it Jamaican in Manhattan. And at first we need to chill our glass. And we will need a mixing glass or shaker or something else you can mix a cocktail in. And the first ingredient is amazing plantation Jamaican rum. I'm going to use 2 ounces of it. And this time, instead of red vermouth, I'm going to use cherry Pedro Jimenez. I'm going to use 1 ounce of this amazing cherry. And 2 dashes of classic Angostura bitter. And this time I'm not going to mix it, I'm going to throw it. Chilled, full of passion, love and energy. And now we don't need to strain it because it's already strained. I just need to pour it into the glass. And this time I'm going to garnish it very simple, only with 3 raisins. 1, 2, 3. And we are having Jamaican in Manhattan. Cheers, guys! Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, so please smash subscribe button, like this video so more people could see these amazing cocktail recipes. I'm really glad to share my experience with you. Please let me know in the comments below which version of Manhattan do you prefer, and of course if you have some other version of Manhattan, or if you like, or if you do, or if you drunk somewhere, please share in the comments. Let me know. I really want to know as many versions of different cocktails as I can, and I'm really appreciating you sharing your experience with me. So thank you very much. Love, passion and energy comes from me to you, and I'll see you in next videos.